Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, we discussed 4 key research areas for a winning brand strategy. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me create more videos like this. Brand strategy is the key for brand identity design, and research is the foundation of a strong customer-centric brand strategy. It ensures you make informed decisions and create a brand that connects with your audience. Before we continue with the 4 key research areas for a winning brand strategy, we must know the types of research we have. This will help you to determine which one works best for you. Market research can be broadly categorized into various types of research based on the purpose, the approach, and the methodology you will use. The first one is the primary market research. This involves collecting new first-hand data directly from the source. Examples are survey, interviews, focus groups, and observation. The second one is the secondary market research. This involves analyzing existing data that has already been collected by other people. Examples are industrial reports, government publication, research papers, and competitors analysis. Now back to our 4 key research areas for a winning brand strategy. The first one is the target audience. The first research area is all about your target audience. You have to go to know who you are talking to and what they need. Here are the key things to focus on: demographics, the psychographics, the pain points, buying journey. Understanding your audience is the foundation for everything, from your messaging to your product design. Without this, your brand won't connect with your audience. The second one you should make research on is market trend. We have market trend. Industry are constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is what separates leaders from followers. Researching market trend ensures your brand stays relevant and ready for what's next. The third market research you should focus on is the customer behavior. This is where you analyze how your audience interacts with the product and the brand. You want to answer questions like what motivates them to buy, how often do they purchase similar products, what factors influence their loyalty. When you understand their behavior, you can refine your strategy to meet their needs better and build stronger connection with them. The last thing you should make research on, and is very important, is the competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is more important because you need this in your market research. Researching your competitors helps you figure out what makes you and your brand unique and where you can outshine them. Here are what you should focus on when making research on competitors analysis. The first one is their positioning. What space do they occupy in the market? How can you stand out? The second thing you should make research on is their brand messaging. What story are they telling and how is it landing with their audience? The third thing you should research on is their brand personality. What tones, style and emotion do they use to connect with their audience? Another one is the brand visuals, the visual identity. Are their design modern, bold or minimal? Learn from their visuals to craft your own in a distinctive way. The last one is the brand presence. Where are they showing up on social media? The event they are organizing and how they run their ads. This will really help you. Competitor research does not mean you copying your competitors. It means finding the opportunities to be better. If you find this post valuable, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. See you in the next video.